I am far too tired to cook tonight after those long classes.
My stomach is making very loud noises for the last hour.
Let's look for a good pizza place on your phone.
I found a new restaurant called the Golden Crust nearby.
Their website has very bright and appetizing photos of food.
Look at this one with 4 different types of cheese.
It looks delicious, but I want something with more vegetables.
We can always customize the toppings to make it perfect.
Do they offer a thin crust or just the thick one?
The menu says they have a special Italian thin dough.
That is exactly what I was hoping to find today.
I see a promotion for a large pizza with 2 drinks.
That sounds like a very reasonable deal for us.
Should we order online or give them a quick call?
Calling might be faster because the app looks a bit slow.
I will find the phone number at the bottom of the page.
Check if they have any spicy options for the sauce.
They have mild, hot, and dragon fire levels of spice.
Let's stick to mild so we can actually enjoy it.
I agree. I don't want my mouth to be a volcano.
What about the size of the pizza for 2 people?
A 12-inch pizza is usually enough for a quiet evening.
Maybe we should get the 14-inch just in case.
Leftover pizza for breakfast is a great idea, Sophie.
You always think about the next day's food, Oliver.
It is important to be strategic about our delicious meals.
Okay, the number is 555-0124.
I am ready to press the green call button.
Wait, we still need to decide on the final ingredients.
Let's move to the next section of the menu quickly.
I think a classic Hawaiian pizza is a great choice.
You know, I strongly believe pineapple does not belong there.
But the sweetness goes so well with the salty ham.
It is a fruit, Oliver. It belongs in a fruit salad.
Many people around the world love this specific combination.
Today, the teacher says no pineapple in this house.
Fine, I will surrender this battle for the sake of peace.
How about some fresh mushrooms and green bell peppers instead?
That sounds a bit too healthy for a Friday night.
We can add some extra pepperoni to balance the vegetables.
Now that is a suggestion I can definitely support.
Should we add some black olives or maybe some onions?
Onions are fine, but let's skip the olives this time.
Deal. No olives and absolutely no tropical fruits allowed.
What about the cheese? Do you want extra mozzarella?
Yes, extra cheese makes everything 10 times better.
I am also curious about the garlic butter crust option.
That sounds like a dream. Let's definitely add that.
I will write this list down so I don't forget.
Thin crust, mild sauce, pepperoni, mushrooms, and onions.
And the extra cheese and the garlic butter edge.
Perfect. That is a masterpiece of a pizza order.
Do we want any side dishes like chicken wings?
No, the large pizza will be more than enough.
I am going to ask about the delivery time too.
I hope it is less than 45 minutes.
If it takes longer, I might start eating the napkins.
Please try to stay calm. The phone is ringing.
Shh, someone is picking up the call at the shop.
Good luck. Make sure they hear the no pineapple part.
Hello, I would like to order a large pizza for delivery.
Make sure to mention the special thin Italian crust.
Yes, we want the 14-inch thin crust, please.
Tell him about the pepperoni and the mushrooms.
For toppings, we want pepperoni, mushrooms, and onions.
Don't forget the extra mozzarella cheese, Oliver.
And could we please have extra mozzarella on top?
Ask about the garlic butter on the crust.
Is it possible to get the garlic butter crust today?
Yes, he is nodding his head. I can hear it.
Great. And please, absolutely no pineapple on this pizza.
Thank you for clarifying that very important point.
What is the total price for the order and delivery?
I hope they have a discount for new customers.
$22? That sounds perfectly fine to me.
Ask them about the estimated time of arrival.
How long will it take to reach our apartment?
My stomach is waiting for his answer very anxiously.
30 minutes? That is actually faster than I thought.
That is wonderful news. I can wait 30 minutes.
Do you need our address or is it in the system?
He probably needs the apartment number and the floor.
Our address is Bluebird Street, building number 7.
Tell him the doorbell is a bit quiet, so please knock.
Please knock loudly because our bell is quite soft.
Will we pay by cash or with a credit card?
We will pay with a card when the driver arrives.
Perfect. The order is finally officially placed.
Thank you very much. Have a great evening too.
You did a great job with that phone call, Oliver.
Write 1 English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
Now we just have to wait for 30 long minutes.
I am going to watch the clock until it is time.
Why don't we find a good movie to watch while we eat?
A comedy or an adventure film would be very nice.
Let's look for something light and funny for tonight.
I found a movie about a dog who becomes a chef.
That is a bit too much food talk for me right now.
10 minutes have passed since you hung up the phone.
Only 10 minutes? It feels like an entire hour.
I'm going to check the balcony to see if the car is here.
The restaurant is several blocks away, Oliver.
I can smell imaginary pizza in the air already.
That is just your brain playing tricks on you.
I'm going to set the table with plates and glasses.
I will get some cold water and some napkins ready.
We should also prepare the movie so it is ready to play.
15 minutes left, according to the polite man.
I hope the driver doesn't get lost in the dark.
Everyone uses GPS these days, so he will be fine.
What if he accidentally gives our pizza to the neighbors?
Our neighbors are nice, but they better not take it.
I'm starting to get very impatient and restless.
Let's play a quick card game to pass the time.
I can't focus on cards when I think about cheese.
You are being very dramatic about a simple dinner.
Hunger makes me a very dramatic person, Sophie.
Look, I see a small white car turning into our street.
Is it the pizza delivery car or just a random neighbor?
It is stopping right in front of our building entrance.
I'm going to stand by the door and wait for the knock.
I hear someone walking up the stairs very quickly.
This is the most exciting moment of my entire week.
There is a loud knock on the wooden door.
Hello, we have been waiting for you and your box.
The smell is entering the room and it is amazing.
Here is the card for the payment. Thank you.
The box is very warm. I can feel the heat.
Have a safe night and thank you for the fast delivery.
Put the box on the wooden table in the kitchen.
My hands are shaking a little bit from the excitement.
Let's open it and see if the toppings are correct.
1, 2, 3. Look at that beautiful sight.
The cheese is bubbling and the crust is golden.
There are plenty of pepperoni slices on every side.
And I don't see any yellow pieces of pineapple.
The mushrooms look fresh and the onions are toasted.
They actually remembered the garlic butter on the edge.
It smells like a professional Italian kitchen in here.
I am going to grab the pizza cutter from the drawer.
Be careful, the steam is very hot and very thick.
I am cutting it into 8 perfect and equal slices.
I want the corner slice with the most pepperoni.
You can have any slice you want, my dear friend.
Let's take the plates to the sofa and start the movie.
Don't forget the napkins. It looks a bit greasy.
Grease is just a sign of a very high-quality pizza.
That is a very interesting theory of yours, Oliver.
I am sitting down and I am not moving for an hour.
The movie is starting and the pizza is waiting.
This is the perfect end to a very long day.
The first bite is always the best part of the evening.
This cheese is stretching all the way to the ceiling.
The crust is so thin and crispy, just like I wanted.
The garlic butter adds a very rich and savory flavor.
I am so glad we didn't add any pineapple to this.
I hate to admit it, but you were probably right.
A teacher is almost always right about these things.
This mild sauce has a very nice herb taste.
I can taste some oregano and a little bit of basil.
We should definitely order from this place again soon.
I will save their phone number in my contacts list.
The Golden Crust is now my favorite pizza shop.
The pepperoni is spicy enough to be interesting.
I am already reaching for my second large slice.
Slow down, Oliver. The pizza isn't going anywhere.
This movie about the cooking dog is actually quite funny.
It is much better when you have a full stomach.
I feel a lot more relaxed and happy than before.
Good food has a way of fixing any bad mood.
Thank you for helping me choose the perfect toppings.
Thank you for making the call and paying for it.
It was my pleasure to provide this Italian feast.
I think I can only eat 3 slices in total.
That means there are 5 slices left for me.
You are truly a champion of eating, Oliver.
I am training for the Professional Pizza Eating Olympics.
I will be your coach and bring you the water.
Let's just enjoy the rest of this movie and the night.
This was a wonderful idea for a Friday dinner.
I agree. Best Friday night in a very long time.